Good morning, class 9. Today we will start from question number 24. Okay, if tan theta is equal to 3 by 4, find 2 sin theta minus cos theta divided by 2 sin theta plus cos theta. In this question, the value of tan theta is given. So, given tan theta is equal to 3 by 4, turns permanently black. Perpendicular is 3, base is 4. We don't have hypotenuse, so we will use Pythagoras theorem to find hypotenuse. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So, h square is equal to perpendicular is 3, 3 square plus base is 4, 4 square. 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. H is equals to root 25. Root 25 is 5. Now we have to find value of this question. 2 sin theta minus cos theta divided by 2 sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 2 some people have minus curly brown hair. 2 some people have plus curly brown hair. Now we will just put the value of perpendicular, hypotenuse and base, then we will simplify. Okay, now we'll put value. After that, 2 3s are 6 divided by 5 minus 4 divided by 5. 2 3s are 6 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Take LCM. LCM of 5 and 5 is 5. So 6 minus 4 divided by 5. Again LCM of 5 and 5 is 5. So 6 plus 5 divided by 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 by 5. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 by 5. Now convert this into multiplication. 2 by 5 into 5 by 10. So cancel 5 and 5 cancel. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. So answer is 1 by 5. Now next is question number 25. If tan theta is equal to 4 by 3, find the value of root 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. Again, in this question, value of tan theta is given. You have to find the value of this question. So, turns permanently black 4 by 3. Again, use Pythagoras theorem. Here, you will get again the value of h is 5. After that, we will solve this. Now, root 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Sin. Some people have. Some people have. Now, just put the value. Put value. After that, consider here 1. 1. Take LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. 1 5s are 5. 5 1s are 5. Here also 1 5s are 5. 5 1s are 5. So, 5 minus 4 by 5 divided by 5 plus 4 by 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 by 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 by 5. Now, we'll bring it to the numerator. Write reciprocal. 5 and 5 cancel. 1 by 9. Root of 1 is 1 and root of 9 is 3. So, answer is 1 by 3. Next is question number 26. If cos theta is equal to 5 by 13, find the value of sin square theta minus cos square theta divided by 2 sin theta into cos theta into 1 by tan square theta. So here cos theta is given, curly brown hair, base is 5, hypotenuse is 13. Find perpendicular. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse is 13 square plus p square, is equal to p square plus base is 5 square. 13 square is 169, 5 square is 25. So p square is equal to 169 minus 25 is 144. So p is equal to root 144. So root of 144 is 12. Now we will find the value of this question. Sin square theta minus cos square theta divided by 2 sin theta into cos theta into 1 by tan square theta. Sin. Some people have whole square minus curly brown hair square. 2 some people have curly brown hair into 1 by turns permanently black. Here is square. Now just put the value. Put value. After that, 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169, 5 square is 25, 13 square is 169. 12 square is 144. 5 square is 25. Then multiply 2 into 12 is 24. 24 5s are 120. 13 into 13 169. So from numerator take LCM. LCM of 169 and 169 is 169. 144 minus 25 by 169. 120 by 169 into now you have to write the reciprocal because it is in division. Convert into multiplication. 25 by 144. Now 144 minus 25 is 169 by 169. Now bring this to the numerator. So 169 by 120 into 25 by 144. Cancel 169, 169, 20. Cancel 25 and 120 by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 24s are 120. Now 119 into 5 is 595. 24 into 144 is 3456. Next is question number 29. If sin theta is equal to a divided by root a square plus b square, so that b sin theta is equal to a cos theta. So here the value of sin theta is given. Then you have to prove this b sin theta is equal to a cos theta. When you find the value of b sin theta and a cos theta, they must be equal. So sin theta is equals to some people have. This is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. So we don't have base, we have to find base. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse is root a square plus b square. Whole square is equal to perpendicular is a square plus base square. Now square and root cancel out. A square plus b square is equal to a square plus b square. Now this a square will write on the left hand side. A square minus a square cancel. So small b square is equal to capital B square. So b is equal to small b. Now we'll solve left hand side first. Left hand side is b sin theta. B some people have. Perpendicular is a. Hypotenuse is root a square plus b square. B into a is ab. Root a square plus b square. This is the value of left hand side. Now we will solve right hand side. Right hand side is a cos theta. A cos theta, curly brown here. Base is b. Hypotenuse is root a square plus b square. So a into b is ab root a square plus b square. So we got equal value. So b sin theta is equals to a cos theta. Proved.